Okay, we're back again. We're going to install this Curt trailer hitch onto our CRV. The first thing that we need to do is to remove the lower body panel underneath the CRV that's off on the passenger side of the car. There's 10 connectors that hold it in place. Some of them are plastic, some of them are screws, some of them are bolts. So we'll get those 10 out and drop the panel out and we'll come back to you. I'm going to remove these plastic rivets across the back. There's one in here for a total of 4. And here's one that's 5. Then we have bolts across the back, 1, 2, 3, and I believe that's it. Okay, we're going by my little instructions here, and I have to come over 16.5 inches from this cutout. An 1.5 inches up from that hole there. To make it an interesting situation. 1.5 is on the top of these. Three and a quarter inches from that. 3 1/4 inches from that. And 7 inches up. Okay, so now we've got to cut that out. Okay, so now that we got the under panel put back up into place with the hole cut in it, now we're going to slide the trailer hitch up, this side through, this side up and around the muffler hanger, and get this U-bolt through the 2 holes in the center. And then what we're going to do is I'm going to start the U-bolts in the center. Then I'm going to go ahead with Judy helping me hold it up into place. We'll try to get these bolts started in there and get them all tightened up and then torqued down to what it says we've got to torque them to. Okay, it's the next day. We had to go get a tap to clean out the threads of the holes up underneath before we could get the bolts up inside and get them torqued in. but it's done and I believe it looks pretty good. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and put the roof racks on. We have to remove these little covers on the top on the rails. There's two here, two in the back, and the same on the other side. We'll put the front one on first. Okay, this is a quick recap. Because somebody forgot to turn the mic on while we were doing the video. Okay, the first thing that we did was removed the caps over top of the places where the crossbars fit in, front and back on both sides. We started and put the longer of the two crossbars in the front. Started on the driver's side and connected it. Adjusted the passenger side over to where it was lined up and tightened them down. We did that both on the front and the back. And as you can tell, there's stickers on the top that says which way the bars are supposed to go to the front for the aerodynamics so that it doesn't make noise. And we got it all done. It took about 15 minutes.
Give us a thumbs up. Subscribe. Alright guys, till next time. See ya.
Bye now.